What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make presentations with AI. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just need to use two tools. First tool that we will be talking about is obviously ChatGPT. So go to chat.open.ai or chatgpt.com. Now here, just simply type in the type of data that you want to get. You're making presentation on. So suppose you're making a presentation on, like the climate change. So you can simply search for give me proper data for climate change that I can put in my presentation. And then I'm just going to tell him that to make some, uh, bullet points. Now, I will give it a command like that, and it will just give me that data for my, climate change. Suppose I'm making on that. It will just give me the data for my presentation. However, after having the text or after having the data, you need to implement into a presentation. So how can you do that? In that case, you just have to go to Google and search for presentation AI presentation maker and then simply add Canva with it. As we know, Canva is one of the most famous tools for graphic designing, and the good thing is it now uses AI features. So here you just have to log into your Google account, and this is how you'll be. You just have to click on this create a presentation with AI from Canva. Now you will have the text data right here, which you can copy and paste it right here on these slides. If you want to make any page, you want to make it different, difficult, decent, you can do that. As you can see, in the presentation, and that's how easy it is to do. You just have to copy the data, put it right here, and that's how you used AI to make presentation without having to invest a lot of time. Hope you guys find this video helpful.